Stuntman 407 video, and today we are doing a video of how to repair a lock nut on your Wholesome RC car. Now in the last video I didn't have the lock nut, but now I have the lock nut. And here it is. It's by this brand. And it's not the same brand as Wholesome, but it's for Wholesome 110 RC cards, and as you can see, it has the same item code as the Wholesome RC card. Now, also, what I didn't show you are these accessory parts. Now, I have no clue what this thing is. Please comment us to tell us what you think this is, because I have no clue. It has a switch on it, and I do not know what it's for. And please comment us on how you like our videos. Now let's get into the instruction manual on what I didn't show you on the instruction manual. Now, here's what I didn't show you. It shows how to undo all the screws and how to fix your Wholesome RC car or take it apart. Well, here's the wrench right here. Now, let's just. Also, what I got is some Wholesome RC car clips. There's 50 of them in there. Very nice. Now, let's go do this. The first step is to take apart the wheel. Now, you take this little tab. It's very tiny, so I put on a magnetic tray so I won't lose it. And you just put that right into that circle slot, like that. Now, for this, you see it has these line-up holes. Now you line this up with it, like that. You just do it like that. Now for the wheel, put on the wheel. Make sure that wheel's in there. Okay. Now let's just open up this bag. Get one of these lock nuts out. Okay. You take the lock nut and you put it in. Well, you know what? Let's do it the easier way. You take this, put this down right in there. Like that. Now, see, like that. And then let's go down again. You take this, you just screw it in. Until tightened. Now, that's the finished completion of the job. And we'll do a test run video also. Tune in for that. Tune in for more Stuntman 407 videos. Goodbye for now.